everyone, welcome to our video. Let's begin with our book Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge for class 7 by Seraphic Publications. Hello everyone, let's begin with a new chapter today, that is chapter number 7, Defense Reaction of Animals. When an animal is attacked by its enemy or by the hunter, they defend themselves, they protect themselves by some other means or the other. Either they hide themselves or they run far away from the hunter, and some way or the other they hide themselves. So what is the method? What all techniques do they follow in order to defend? The procedures are given in this chapter. Let's take a look at it. Self-defense, it refers to the phenomenon by which every living organism protects itself from its enemy or the predator. Now here we have to read the following descriptions. Let's begin with the first one. This is the electric eel, and they are long South American fish. They are known for their ability to stun their prey by generating electricity, delivering a shock at up to 860 volts. So the fish itself, as the name indicates, electric eel, it defends itself, or they do their self-defense by giving an electric shock to the enemy or the predator. Then next we have opossums. These are opossums, and they are what? They are of the size of a house cats. They are threatened. Opossums will growl deeply in real danger, and they pretend to be dead by producing a smell like a dead body. So wow, how clever this animal is, that it pretends itself to be dead and it smells itself as if it's like a dead body. This makes their attackers lose interest and they go away. Then there is your answer please for you children. You have to answer the first question, which electric fish is famous in South America? And the second question, what is the unique feature of a rattlesnake? Look out for the answers of these two questions and write the answer itself here in the book. Let's now move on to the next animal. The next animal given over here is the newt. This is a picture of a newt. Newts look cute and harmless, but they are known to protect themselves by secreting poison from their skin. So they actually secrete poison from their body's skin. The toxins secreted through the skin as a defense mechanism, they can kill a person. Then next we have the pygmy slow lorises. Now these are pygmy small lorises, and they are very slow moving creatures. They are found in China and Cambodia. It produces a toxin from glands on their arm to get a toxin, and the toxin becomes a deadly secretion when mixed with their saliva, and this makes their bite poisonous. So hence the bite of a pygmy slow lorises is very poisonous, so stay away from that animal. Let's now move on to the next page. On the next page we have the rattlesnakes. This is the image of the rattlesnake. It receives their name from the rattle on their tail's tip, and the buzzing sound of this rattle works as a warning device. So that means if it sees its enemy or a predator, so in order to give a warning to the enemy, it tips off its tail. The rattlesnakes are predators that live in a wide array of habitats. The last one given over here are the horned lizards. Horn means सींग, हम उन्हें सींग भी कहते हैं. And if you look carefully at the picture, these are the horns of the lizard. So horned lizards are also known as horned toads, like in deserts, or they live in deserts or semi-deserts area. Now when they feel that they are in danger, they puffed up their bodies. That means they swell up their bodies, फुला लेते हैं वो अपनी bodies को, causing them to appear more horned and larger. तो वो अपने predator को धोखा देने के लिए ऐसे pretend करते हैं that they are quite puffy and they are quite large in size. So this is all with the various animals. Let's now move on to the quiz time. The quiz time begins with the first question and the only question, that is the fill in the blanks by using the help desk. Let's begin with the first question. It says dash is an endangered animal because of the ivory tusks, and the answer is elephant. Next question is dash is a long-haired ox-like animal which is found in the mountains of Tibet, and it is a source of milk and clothing, and the answer is yak, Y-A-K, yak. Then next is it is found in Antarctica which it can swim but it cannot fly, and the name of this bird is actually penguin. Then the fourth question, dash comes to land to lay eggs, and the answer is turtle. Turtle is the only animal which comes on land to lay its eggs, and later on it crawls back to the ocean or the sea body. Then next we have dash is the world's largest animal, and that is known as the blue whale. Then the last one given over here is dash grow antlers that are branched and they shed every year. That is known as the deer. So deer is the animal which grows antlers every year and then they shed off also every year. With this, we have now completed the chapter. I hope you must have liked it. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video and take care and goodbye.